Hi, this is Jeremy Nett from Permanent Acres, and in this video I'm going to show part of the reasons why I don't think people should spend money buying lightsabers with sound from like Saberforge or Ultra Sabers, and honestly they should start looking into doing their own builds. But here's part of the reason why. This is an Ultra Sabers Liberator with Obsidian sound card, and I just want you to see the responsiveness of this card. This with shipping generally is around, if you buy it outright with the cheapest sound option and shipping, it's generally around $250 to around $300 depending on the options you choose on it. Now if you go with the higher end settings from Ultra Sabers, you can pay all the way up to, I believe, around $450, $500 just for this Liberator. But this is one of the cheaper options where it's got a single color setting. But here we go. Now I just wanted you to pay attention to the responsiveness of this lightsaber. So I'm going to start spinning this around slowly. One motion, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, I'm speeding it up. Now it's starting to pick up the motion. But so this is what you get for around $250, $300 to $350 range from Ultra Sabers for sound. And here is a Saberforge count, and this one runs around $350, $400 range. So you do get 3 sound fonts, but I want you, and the responsiveness can be tuned in pretty good with this, but still, this is pretty in a really responsive setting where it's more realistic, but I want you to see when you go to the slower motion. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one is like one of the cheapest sound options for a regular Saberforge. This is not counting like their eco models, but if you're wanting something with a 1-inch blade that is really decently heavy duty with good sound on it, with Saberforge you have to pay for it. So generally whenever you're looking for something with sound, your bare minimum price is going to be at least $300, $350 and up. So right here I got a Graflix model. This one is official Graflix. I got it from the Graflix store. Built it out, added the D-ring to it, put a Golden Harvest version 2 in it. This runs quad Cree LED setup and has quite a few sound fonts on it. But by the time I got done building this out, if I remember correctly, is around $200, $230 price range. But I want you to see the responsiveness of this board. So I'm going slow, and it's picking up pretty much every single motion. And this is the old version of the Golden Harvest card. And the only reason why the speaker is humming is I gotta redo the version of the I gotta 3D print like a speaker cover for it. So here I'm going to go to an Empress model. This one cost me a lot less to build. I got the Golden Harvest version 3 whenever the euro was at a lower price range. And so I ended up getting my Golden Harvest version 3s. I had bought 2 of them from Sabertech and got them around $50. And then also this Ultra Sabers hilt, I got around a May the 4th sale. So I ended up paying around $100 just for the empty hilt. So by the time I was done building this out, this was about a $200 lightsaber. And this one's got a tri-cree LED setup. And honestly, I could have set it up for NeoPixel on there and kept it around the same price range, a little bit more, especially if I just built out the blade myself. It would have been maybe around $230 by the time I got done. Here we go. So this one's got smooth swing. It's already responding. So this is part of the reason why I'm against spending your money on lightsabers with sound with Ultra Sabers or Saberforge, to be example, because to get the equivalent of what this lightsaber is with Ultra Sabers, you can't get anything close to this. I mean, even whenever you go to the Diamond controller with Ultra Sabers, the best that Ultra Sabers has to offer does not have the customizability nor the options that this lightsaber has for $200. And the same pretty much goes for Saberforge. Now that they switched over to the Golden Harvest version 3, you can get NeoPixel setups, but generally with something like this, you're looking to spend around $600, $700, even $800 to get something that if you buy an empty hilt, buy the parts yourself and build it, you can keep around $300 or less for the most part.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.